Welcome back once again. I am Rajesh Kumar, science teacher of Pratapgarh School, Pathankot. Today we will start a new chapter of class 10th biology, control and coordination. Okay, in this chapter, today we discuss about nervous system, especially control coordination in plants and animals, how the animals and plants coordinate, and nervous system. Okay, this is the first lecture of chapter control and coordination. First is stimuli. Okay, the stimuli is any response from the external environment, okay, against which our body respond, is called as stimulus. For example, heat, cold, sound, smell, taste, etc. Our body respond against these stimuli, and our response varies because person to person the response also varies. Some person living in very hilly area means some person living in very cold area, some person living in a very hot area. So this is all about adaptation and how body respond to against particular stimuli. Okay, then coordination means working of different organs, how the different organs work together to respond a particular stimulus. Okay, for proper response to a stimulus, many organs in the body should work together. The working together of various organs in an organism to produce a proper response to a stimulus is called as coordination. In animals, the coordination takes place with the help of two systems. First is nervous system, and the second one is endocrine system or hormonal system. But in case of plants, the coordination is basically takes place with the help of a chemical substance known as phytohormones or plant hormones. Then next, the coordination in animals. As I already discussed with you, in coordination in animals takes place with the help of a nervous system. And nervous system basically consists of brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Okay. Then receptors. Receptors are the sensory part which receives signals. Okay. Receptors present all over the body which receive signals or which receive responses. Different responses. For different responses, we have different receptor. For example, photoreceptor to detect light, phonoreceptor to detect sound, olfactory receptor to detect smell, gustato receptor या gustatory receptors to detect taste, and tango receptor to detect touch. Okay, effector are the muscles and glands which respond to the information from the brain and spinal cord through the motor nerves. Sensory nerves are the nerves which carry information from the receptors to the brain and spinal cord. Motor nerves are the nerves which carry information from the brain and spinal cord to the effector. Okay, simply nervous system consists of a basic structure and function. It is neuron. Okay, and the neurons are of different types. They are basically of having two main categories. One is sensory neurons, second one is motor neurons. See, sensory neurons sense the stimuli and they can transfer the messages from the stimuli or from the receptor toward the brain. Okay, and then a motor neuron, they carry information from the brain to the different part of the body for particular response. Okay, now nervous system. Okay, nervous system, human nervous system basically consists of two type nervous system: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. In central nervous system, brain and spinal cord is present. In peripheral nervous system, cranial nerves, the nerves that rise from the brain, and the spinal nerves, the nerves that rise from the spinal cord are present. Okay, see, basic unit of nervous system is a neuron. Okay, and the neurons are just like a wires. They spread throughout the body and they transfer the masses from one part to another part. Okay, next is neuron or nerve cells. Okay, as I already discussed with you, neuron is a structural and functional unit of nervous system. It has following parts like cytosol, cell body, axon, dendrites. Okay, axonal terminal end. Okay, and the myelin sheath is also also present along the axonal. Okay, now I just enlarge this structure. Okay, the neuron. Okay, you can see these branches like structure called as dendrites, and this central part is known as cell body or cyton. This tube-like structure is called as axon, through which the masses can be transferred, and at the end, axonal terminal end is present, or axonal terminal normally present at the end, where the masses can be transferred to the next neuron. Okay, no, see how neurons work. Okay, see, neurons basically work in coordination manners. Like inside the neurons, there is a chemical coordination as well as there is electrical coordination. Okay, see, inside the neuron, the chemicals are present like acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter which is present within the neuron, basically at the terminal end within the vesicle, and these vesicles contain a neurotransmitter called as acetylcholine. Okay, acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter which carry masses from one neuron to another neuron. Okay, and within the axon there is electrical transmission because within the axon potassium and sodium ions are present, okay, and these when these ions carry masses from one part to another part, okay, within the neuron, and this they bring about, they can produce a charge. So we can say that within the neuron, within the axon especially, the coordination or the masses transfer is with the help of charge. So we can say that electrical coordination, okay. But at the end of the neuron, at axonal terminal end, inside the vesicles a chemical is present, and that chemical is called as acetylcholine, which can transfer masses from one neuron to another neuron, and this such type of coordination is known as chemical coordination. So we can say that within the neuron chemical coordination as well as electrical coordination takes place, okay. I hope you understand all these concepts, okay. Meet you soon in the next video. This is the first lecture, okay. Meet you soon in the next lecture. Stay safe, stay at home. Goodbye.